Hello friends, this is a program for maintaining cash paid and cash received in a systematic manner. This is done in MS Excel with the help of macros. We have two sheets here, data and inputs. In inputs column, you can write down the names of your own employees. I have taken up to 1000, up to 999 names you can write down here. This column A is editable, B, C and D, these are not editable columns. Information in these columns will come automatically depending on what you feed. Let us go back to data sheet. We have three columns here: name of employee, cash paid and cash received. This is the basic data which gets reflected in the inputs sheet. Let us start. I will delete this data initially. I will add one more name. Venkatesh. So go back. I'll first pay some amount to Mr. Venkatesh. Let's see. You can operate this with a keyboard as well as with a mouse. See, when we have selected payment, the cursor has automatically come on the cash paid column. I will say 25,000. We have paid 25,000 to him. Okay. Then you can click on receipts. Supposing he has paid back, select the same person. Supposing he has paid back 20,000. Then click receipts. See, 5,000 is the balance from him. So if this comes in minus value, then it means we owe him, we have to give him. If it is plus balance, then he has to give it to us. Okay. So Control P, I will say Sailesh, 40,000 we paid to him, and Control R, Sailesh has paid back after some time. Let us say 40,000. Go and see. Sailesh is 0 here. Then you can go and see here. Sailesh, see how much he has taken, 40,000. Cash paid to him is 40,000. Cash received from him is 40,000. Balance is 0. In the case of Venkatesh, it is this. This way you can maintain balances of amounts paid and received from persons. You can create 1,000 persons in this, 999 persons to be exact. Visit www.usefulexcelprograms.com for more such programs. Thanks for watching.